Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hndru wei ar nyau lai kum kawai nagi jinglum jingtip halor ki babon ki khana pateng jong ki jaj ban riu lum jong jalami galia ki bakentup ye ki culture baper nadu ka ktin ka thlik ka jing hiar pateng ki jing tei nam bat jing tei pensa nam da ki man barim bat ki wei ka Sorkar jila langba katanan arts and culture ha ka jingelam jong menteri Sorkar uba pol lengdo beripet yek ne katanan Sorkar rengkat lang menteri rangba ka jila konrad ke sangma henin ke sengi kata ha ka arpoh nyau tere ku jelew arjar arpsau kila pelai pajba ya ka chief minister's research grant lane ke Cmrg ha ka jo ka por ban pensilur ya ki nongwat benya dak ba Pynmang ru da ka song pisah ka ba lailak tengka ka ba kita ki nongwat benya kin pendep mahpo ka por ka ba shpo banai ha ka ne ke jingelang ban pelai pajba ya ka chief minister's research grant ka ba lalong henin ke sengi laidon lang ru commissioner ba Frederick R Kharkongor IAS nang tau ba FM dop baru Dr David Simli habakaran hagane ke jingilang menteri rangba ka jela konrad ke sangma ulong ba ke jingkong san ki jingwat benya bat jingbu jingtho kalong namar ke jingduna bha ke jingbu jingtho bat ke jingwat benya ki ba ke jela gron kam banbu kum ke jingtip nak benta ki longdin ki ban sabteng ye kala sai jong ke jaj penrio ka jingwat benya da ka balik tikana bat ke jingbu jingtho ki de ki mau bersiu ye ki babon ki kam penroi Shushu menteri rangba ula kentu ya ki badan jengmut ban le ya kene kam bakin apply ya kene ke grant kan ba kapor kadang biang henry hadin ke jingkut no kapor ke balabu nak benta ki nong apply kene ke scheme kan sa syukut no bat kan sa sebe no da ke bong ru bon senang penhe ya ke jing Pynmang ya ke song pisa na ka wei kapor sya ka wei pan da ke ba pentip ru ba ya ki application ban yo ya ke grant on penkut ha ka siteng met jong ka arpau tarik unaitung arjar arpsau ki ba syajit kin sayo ya kijing pentip na katanak Sorkar hapo katayo baar jong banai nailar arjar arpsau bat ya ke installment ban ningkong jong ka grant on pelaj ha ke khatsan terik nailar arjar arpsau ki ba kwa ban apply ki la ban pha ya ki kerteng jong ki lengba ka website jong ka Sorkar jong katanak arts and culture bat katanak social media handles karukom jit kentup ya ka jing bisyar benya da ka Cmrg committee but da ka personal interview ka banlong hanong ba Shillong ki kertong ki basyajit ki deban peni bat batai ya kirkom le ye kata ke jingwat benya jongki ya ka thup jongki kertong basyajit on sapenmi online ya ka grant on pelaj ha ki lai benta ka bankong kalong san 4% on pelaj hadin ka jing pendep lut ya ki jing don kam baro ya ka benta ka baar arpsan persen on ai hadin bakila IT ya ka progress report ka babenya hadin new benai ka benta ka balaipat on pelaj hadin bal IT ya ka executive summary lani ke final report bat ke final statement of account ha ke bala buru ye ke kendon ba ke jing bomla ban IT ye kini ki kot kisla hapok ke por ke babu ke don kam ye ki kertong bakin pen phaino ye barok ke gran ka final research project kende ke nong genti jong Sorkar Meghalaya ha rengkat ke jing ai jing itu ba ki bayo jing kersian na ke Cmrg ya ki kertong ki basyajit la pensilor ru bakin penmi ye ki research jongki ha ke UGC careless journals da ka jing ai jing menjur.
The thought process is very simple. Number one, we have always felt, and I've mentioned this in many platforms, that we really lack documentation. We really lack research. And both research and documentation in one way is a foundation for many other aspects to really happen. And many states and many nations, if you look at it, have stressed so much on documentation. And those documentations that they help the future generation to understand the past and improve the past in the future and make things better. So all of these thought processes, ideas, anything that we want to do to bring a change in our society and in our state starts with proper research and documentation, without which we really would not be, I should say, moving forward in a very scientific manner. And that's what has actually really pushed us to focus on this aspect of research and documentation. That's number one. Number two, we also realize that many of our scholars, they really want to do research, but actually they don't have the support to do research. So there's no lack of individuals who are keen, who are into research mode and would really like to contribute, but there was no mechanism or no platform through which they could do it. So this is really also to support these researchers and scholars to move forward.
There will be an award of 3 lakhs for each project, and the duration will be for 10 months. And the main thrust areas will be arts and culture, and then there will be heritage studies, then the indigenous communities, land, language, and lineage. And also, the most importantly, is also the 4th criteria, which is the evaluation studies, evaluation of various government projects, and also to see whether we are in line with the progressive trajectory of the state. Next.